people think that that is not Rajasthan. Image like desert and this type Mysore like.
If they don't travel or don't come,
Yeah, like,
or right,
yeah, it is right. Like,
peaceful protest.
that is very necessary,
Yes.
right? Like the
It's a
constitution
fundamental
right. Law. That
and
is
first of all, I've also seen
Yeah.
no policeman is having their nameplate.
What place?
Yeah,
Like,
it's like
very-
one of the best place to live in Delhi.
Delhi, like
King Little Nature. It's called Sanjeevan.
Yeah, I know that's Sanjay.
Thinking to go now because if waterlogging happens, then it will be. I mean, rain is not issue for me.
You can see like this whole road like water luggage also this side. And I'm actually standing there. Then he's saying like
Very little.
good evening. Like today directly good like evening time. Like this time right now almost 18 and like morning I woke up. I go outside meet some people and eating came back and today like whole day almost like sitting there sometime like this common area there but mostly I sitting there then edit video also talking some people like today whole day my schedule this type. Continuously rain like you can see like this time right now almost 19 and today I am late and I go this Rajasthan government canteen but raining continuously rain like non-stop and also you can see like there this mountain not visible you feel like whole white right because rain and this cloud they totally cover. But this mountain still, you feel like you see like this, like you feel like mountain also not clear visible. This mountain, because there rain and also cloud visible. Like see like this cloud. Like how was like if I go this mountain, like how was feel like like cloud I touched like oh my goodness like yeah like whole literally whole cloud. Wow like wonderful like oh, like. And then I understand like why many traveler, Indian and foreigner, they coming, why they push that. And just 10 to 15 days, you see there, like there, it's like not any people, they are private one person and another some person, okay. But just 10 to 15 days, their whole hostel they full because monsoon time starting, many people starting again, like, and then whole winter, like, and wow, and look at this, like look at this like oh like wow like look at this like literally I did not see this mountain like oh this mountain you did not see any mountain right this but they are big mountain big and this side mountain if you going opposite side then Ajmer starting because this mountain divided Ajmer and Pushkar but there are no mountain it's like wow, my mountain is totally invisible because rain and like cloud cover and rain. Because this side mountain clearly visible, but this time no cloud. Like there are cloud all like many people think that that is not Rajasthan. Like they feel like yeah like their image like desert and this type Mysore like.
If they don't travel or don't come
Yeah,
to the places, many people don't know that Goa also has mountains and all.
Yeah, Goa also mountain.
People will think that Goa is for beaches only, but no, it has some elevation.
Goa also has some
Not that much, but yes.
Mountain is everywhere, but some area like
Yeah.
little bit and some area like
Thinking to go now because if waterlogging happens, then it will be. I mean, rain is not issue for me. I can go in the rain and eat and come, but when waterlogging is real issue for me.
I have no umbrella, no anything.
Yeah, so any raincoat or that?
No.
There is an umbrella down there near kitchen. There is an umbrella. I have used it in the yesterday morning. It's okay. you can use and you can come also.
Reception there have
I am coming, you can also join me.
okay, like reception there have like umbrella.
You will eat dinner, no?
Yeah.
So you can come.
In down
No. Near kitchen.
near kitchen.
I'll show you.
Okay.
I thought that it was yours.
No, not my. I have a no raincoat, no anything. Even no winter cloth also. If I am going to winter something, like I need to buy like. And yeah, like today is very interesting thing. Like I talking previous like my mother and family. They saying like you going to Delhi. I said no, I am Rajasthan. I said, you go Delhi. Like I think very few parents they told it directly like going like this type. You go and
Are you
support.
going or not?
Yeah, like are you going or not? And
Yeah, because everybody is joining.
everybody is
I mean, like the rich also,
yeah.
some BJP supporters also.
BJP was supporter also. Like Lathi Charge, then many their parents saying like just go.
Parents, I watched full video of some media people. So parents are coming with children.
Yeah, okay, children.
And not only boys,
Girls
little girls.
Yeah.
With little girls, they are coming.
At this spot is also you can see like
Show them and
yeah.
even that little girls are observing and saying those small teenage girls like 12 13
13.
year old also knows what is happening and understanding and saying in the camera.
Like if you I have anything happening, I have also peaceful protest. Then they betray same thing. Then people create about kill. Oh, I have a same thing happening. I think future. Then they support.
Actually it is our right
Yeah, it is right.
to
Like,
peaceful protest.
that is very necessary
Yes.
right. Like
It's a
constitution right.
fundamental right.
Fundamental right.
So actually now they are breaking the law openly.
yeah, they are breaking law. That
And
is
first of all, I've also seen
Yeah.
no policeman
right.
is having their nameplate,
Oh, many police officers they have no name plate, no badge.
and some of them were goons in police uniform. A person can make out between a cop and a goon.
yeah.
So some goons are also present in there,
Like
wearing uniform, and some police people or force people are in civil dress. So they are breaking any law they want.
like protester they following law and opposite government they breaking law like literally opposite like yeah,
And they are breaking numerous laws. I
Numerous
mean,
laws.
a lawyer may be able to tell specifically, but I'm seeing that they are breaking each and every law.
and protest actually like kind of saying like peak point like main point after 20 July. That is vital point like after see this type Britain and all thing, because my mother also told my mother also told it like I see many video like this type Britain and all thing like I did not imagine like one human this type behavior like another like this
Yeah.
student and like
If you are not even doing anything, you are just standing, they will come and beat you.
yeah come will just video and just,
Yeah, if they want, if you are running also
yeah.
from away from that protest, then also they are beating. They are doing senseless things.
Senseless thing like inhuman behavior like totally like,
Yeah. But they are not human. I don't think. I can't imagine how are they able to get a good sleep.
yeah that's right.
How are they able to sleep?
Like after doing this all nonsense and all things,
Yeah.
then like the how to sleep and how to the eyes with a child because
Their
they-
own
yeah,
family.
because they all middle class all like
police-
all police are
yeah,
middle
yeah,
class and they come to mostly police army all
Even their
Lower
children
middle
will
class.
prepare for exams
Yeah.
and all and
All-
struggle in life. So then what they will do?
because their child also facing something but they're not
Yeah.
thinking this
No,
like,
no empathy.
no empathy like so like oh no, I know like you have a like as a government saying like lathi charge anything you just showing like I am lathi charge not doing anything that is good.
Zero accountability
Yeah,
and abusing power mindlessly.
Actually. And I'm currently in Rajasthan. There you already know about, and he from actually Delhi,
Yeah.
South Delhi. Yes.
Yeah.
Like
It's like
very
one of the best place to live in Delhi.
Delhi, like if you like little bit open chai, like party and this, like everything, like even mountain little bit like this.
Very peaceful also.
Very peaceful also.
There is a very good place if a person wants to little trekking, little nature. It's called Sanjeevan.
Yeah, I know that's Sanjay.
I go sometimes there. So it's a very place for the people. It's like jungle area full. 786 acre of jungle area in Delhi.
You can see like this whole road like hotel luggage also this side. And I'm actually standing there, then he say like,
Very little.
but I feel like too much. Then I'm just standing
What I
here.
have seen yesterday morning compared to that, it is just 10%.
That is you understand like how to. And welcome to monsoon season in Rajasthan, North India. That is 10%.
Heights are falling, so you can imagine.
I think that high preparation with going to like Delhi, like this rain and all, and very rich in this country. So that is coming in hostel, and I'm again like you see back, and well then you understand I'm going to again outside because I meet someone like meet someone like I meet some friend and like this is like, and I'm going to little bit outside of Pushkar, and this time weather like rainy weather, but rain stopped and whole cloud, literally cloud, like wonderful vibe. And